Hello, amazing people. This is Marsha Creatives, the home of creative tech, and today I'm going to show you how to design a flyer that is going to advertise a car wash services. So before we dive in, ensure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative content. So right here on my screen, I have an artboard. This is an A6 artboard because I'm going to print this flyer. So I have assets that I've prepared for this artwork, and I'm just going to the first things first. As always, we have to create our background. So we're going to design our background right away. That is the first thing. So yeah, I have some assets that I prepared for my background. Let me import them. So just come to File, Place Embedded. Then let me just locate where they are. Yeah, right here. So I need this splash. Yeah, this is a water splash. I'm going to scale it so that it fits the artboard. Then I need a rectangle that I'm going to give it, should be below the water splash. Yes, exactly. I want to drag this down somewhere there. So I want to bring the company logo. This is the company logo right here. So just drag it and place it right there at the center. I wish the orange would be white. It would look clean on. So since I'm the one who designed the logo, let me change the colors on my Illustrator, then import a version that has this orange color as white. Yeah, let me just do that in my Illustrator. In the meantime, as my Illustrator opens up, let me continue styling up my background. There's an asset that I need to bring in so that I can blend with my background. Click on my lasso tool. I want to remove this text here, so I just draw around there and then just press delete. Oh, let's first convert this layer. Let's rasterize the layer, then now click delete, and that should go here. Then Control D on your keyboard to do away with the selection. Yes, so I think my Illustrator is done. Yes. So this is the logo right here. I want to change this orange to white. So let me ungroup, click on that orange, hold shift, click on this orange, click on this orange, and click on this orange. Just use my eyedropper and click on this white, and yeah, I have it. So select, click, and I want to drag it directly to my Photoshop file and drop it right there. And yeah, this is exactly what I wanted. So I'll delete this, delete that, then I'll bring it just there. Yeah, that looks pretty nice and pretty cool. I like it. I need my rectangle tool, and I just want to draw a rectangle right here. Then I'll give it this blue. So I'll use my eyedropper, click on that blue, back to my move tool, to my swatches, here they are, then click on that color. And yeah, take it down a little bit. Okay, so I want to bring in my images. I have these images of motorbikes here. Check, go to your properties panel. Where's my properties panel? Oh, here it is. I usually like it while it is here. So my properties panel, convert this image into a layer. So convert it to layers. Then come to your quick actions. Check the drop down, remove background. Then just allow Photoshop to do its magic. So Photoshop will select the bike, that is the subject, and remove the background. Boom, and that's it, done. That's how powerful Photoshop is. That's why I love Photoshop. So I'll place it right there. Then I'll give it a drop down shadow. So on your effects, click on drop down, give it time to open the style panel, and here is my style panel. It has already applied a drop shadow, but the drop shadow is too big, so I'll reduce. Yes, something like that. Reduce the spread a little bit. The opacity. Yeah, right there. I just check. And yeah, my bike looks okay there. Then I'll bring in the other bike. This blue bike. Then repeat the same process. Properties, convert to layers, quick action, remove background. Then just allow Photoshop to do its magic. And boom, done. So scale it down. Place it there. Then give it the same drop down, drop shadow effect. Come to drop shadow. It will pick the previous effect that we had set. So just press OK. And yeah, now we have our bikes there. Then the next thing I want to do is I want to bring in my text. So I had designed, let me bring it in. I designed a PNG number design, this one. Yeah. So I'm going to use this to number my services here. Okay. I can feel the background is too bright, but let me give this a drop shadow so that it's visible. Yeah, that is okay. Just press OK. Now I bring in my first service, that is car body wash. So my type tool, click anywhere on your artboard, then I bring in my text. So go to your properties, you need to style this text. return the character spacing to 0. Then first I need to change this font to Swiss. I love Swiss. I feel like this font has an effect that I do not want. Car body wash, so let's give it white. Oh, I'm not on that layer, so click on the layer. Then now reduce the size a little bit. Then it should be right here on this arrow, car body wash. It's not visible, so let's give it a stroke. Change the stroke color here to black. Then reduce the size right here, as you can see. I think that's visible. Then I'll duplicate this, Alt click and drag. Then place my second service here. Repeat the same process, Alt click and drag to duplicate and just placing my services. So yeah, I have my text aligned right there. Then I had a car that I needed to blend in here too. Where is it? Should it be this one? Yeah. I want to bring this down a little bit so that now the front tires of the bike are not visible below here. Yes, something like that. So the next thing is I want to bring contact information below here. So I just get it from here. Zoom in. I want to reduce this. I'll do away with this. Change this color to white. Let's try red. So again, I'll have to, I want to reduce this a little bit. There's more text I want to add. As a 3D text effect that I want to add here. Since this poster is to advertise the grand opening of Prime Shine Car Wash. So yeah, let me open that. It's a PSD file, and I'll edit the so yeah, here it is. So now I'm going to change this to grand opening. Then I think the font is okay. Just save that. Yeah, so here is my text effect. So I want to carry this to my design. I'll drop it right here. So since these layers are too many right here, I'll have to convert them into a single layer. So Control E on your keyboard, convert that into one layer so that it's easy to, so it's just this layer. So now we'll scale it down. Right there, grand opening. Then right here I want to give the dates. So type tool, I'll zoom in a little bit. I need to see that clear so that I can align this properly. yeah, I draw my rectangle, style it, give it that drop, give it a radius, reduce it a little bit, and I think my poster is done. I think